This is Sunny Weathers, and today, this is Sunny Weathers, and today, this is Sunny Weathers, and today's Storm is going to help me with one of his Christmas presents to me for this year, and that is, he is going to help me replace this door handle on our coach. Now, the door handle itself is not my present. The present is having the patience to deal with me as I try to replace the handle. So there's a couple things you might see today. One is my attempt to be mechanical, something that is not always my best thing, and Storm's attempt to be patient with me while I try to do something mechanically. In the end, with any luck, I'll wind up with a new bar. The reason we actually replace this is not just because the light doesn't work, although I've always wanted the light to work, but because the chrome piece at the bottom has apparently frozen in the cold weather. A couple places we've been, water got in there, and it's popped off, and it's a bit of a danger to fingers if you slide down on your way out. So let's get started and see how much luck I have replacing this rail. Now, Storm has already loosened the screws for me a few days ago, so now I just need to get them all out. But I will say that our new rail did not come with instructions, so if you're thinking about doing this and I succeed, it might be helpful for you to see what I've done. Storm there reminded me that it's important to put your screws where you can find them again when you need them to reinstall. A helpful hint. Is this one of those ones that... Nope.
It's a ratchet.
There.
Now you got it ratchet.
Alright, lesson one. It's a lot easier if you use the ratcheting feature of the ratcheting screwdriver. Wow. Alright, so it came off, and now we got wires holding it on. And oh, and look at that! The wires came out, so just pull it apart.
Yep.
This? Is there anything I have to turn? Is there anything I have to turn off inside? Like things that would electrocute me?
I don't think so.
Alright.
Locking type connector, you might have to push them in and turn it a little bit, and then it will unlock and come out. I would say probably turning it left hand would be a good, which would be driver side.
Or counterclockwise, perhaps. Not getting anywhere with that one.
Let me see what I can do.
Do one and then see if I can do the other one. Oh, just pull it out.
No, see, it's still, see the little lock right there? It had a little lock.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We just pull it.
This one? Oh, yep, there we go. All right, so our handrail is free. And now Storm will take the tape off, show how the chrome was coming off.
And the chrome was coming off, and it was getting to be a hazard
For my fingers.
of getting cut by the chrome, which was very sharp.
Yep. So now we're gonna try, hopefully, when we plug this new one in and put it on, we'll get no finger cutters and also light, maybe. I'm gonna stop this. before I put the new one on, I'm just going to clean this area. Storm says a damp rag should be good enough. So just go around where the old one was and get that cleaned up. Okay, what's next? I have the new rail here, and Storm has pushed the excess wiring back up in the rail for me. So now we're just going to plug this up. And so white to white, black to black. Is that right?
I would think.
Seems logical.
That's the way it came off.
Let's see. Now see these little bumps. Oh, there we go.
Push them in tight.
Now, do you think we could test whether it's going to actually light up, or does it matter?
Well, I'll test it.
All right. So I need to open up and try different.
Just reach in and try the outside light.
Nope.
Well, I don't see anything there.
There's the step. Shoot. Should we put a tester on it?
Yep.
All right. So we're going to back up here.
So unplug it.
Okay. So Storm has gotten the multimeter, and since the use of that piece of equipment is several levels above my ability, Storm's going to step in and show me rather than let me try to do it myself.
All right, open the door. And hold this a second.
Got it?
And turn on the outside light. All right, now turn the step light on. So the first thing we got to do is figure out why there is no electricity here. Make sure I got this. You can turn them both on and leave them on.
All right, they're both on. How about porch? What is that?
That light up there, that's the light.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, there we go, there's power.
All right, yay.
What light did you turn on before?
This one right here. This says light. It's the small stuff that trips me up. So there you have it.
So hold this to the camera.
All right.
Because we've got, now we hold it back here.
All right. Now that I actually turn the right switch on, important step in this process, you can see we're showing what? Explain it.
Is the light on?
Yeah, porch on.
There. And now we got 13.6 volts. So that's
All
what
right.
we ought to have.
Okay, so a little bit of an unnecessary step, except that it was good for me. It was good for me to learn something there.